We have another McDonald's toy. Let's see what we got today. It is Hello Kitty Paper Puncher, number 5 in the series. It's a pretty big toy. Let's get this opened. We have the paper puncher. A piece of brown cardboard, and a pack of papers. Let me open it. You get 3 sheets of Hello Kitty printed paper and some instructions. Let's take a look at this toy. Hello Kitty is looking great with the pink and purple color scheme. Nothing interesting on the back. Not much going on the top or the bottom. There's a hole here to remove the punched out pieces of paper and a slot to put the paper in. Let's try it out. Push down hard until you hear the pop. Gotta remember to take out the pieces. Let's try a couple more. Hello Kitty freely rotates on the base. Some of them don't even punch through. Another one. Let's take a look at the results. These are supposed to be heart-shaped holes, but they have really jagged edges. Some of them don't even punch through. You can see how bad the quality of the hole is. Let's take a look at some of the hearts. Of course, they are just as jagged. It looks like they just used a plastic punch instead of a metal one inside. It's too bad it doesn't work better. It would have been a great toy. That's it for now. See you later.